Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Chehel and today's video is on things that I find extremely chic, not just in one weather but all year around. These are few of my favorites that I love and I think you all must have it too. Come, let's start. The first one is a great pair of white jeans. I have shared it many a times on my Insta page. Many styles on white jeans. My favorite, which is all season and fits every body type very well, is a good pair of straight leg white jeans. So, just like the one I'm wearing currently, I'm wearing straight leg, and yes, these are my favorite. They fit every body type, they are extremely comfortable at the waist, and a must have. So, best part about white is that you can mix and match and create so many outfits with it. You can wear it with a nice shirt, a knitted t shirt, a waistcoat, just the way I am wearing right now, and you're ready. Whether it's work, whether it's every day going to the school picking up kids, or just a dinner out with family, this is one pair of garment that you can create so many outfits with. So, on the number one is definitely a good pair of white jeans. Number two is yes, what I'm wearing, a nice black shirt or a black waistcoat. I am since last 2 years in love with waistcoats. I love the cut. I love that they make you look slimmer. Yes, you do good waistcoats with sleeves also. Since I wear sleeveless. I'm wearing one right now, but you do get waistcoat with sleeves and they're quite in, easy to style, and a black one is a must have. I think one of the best combinations that you can have in your wardrobe is a black and white. I love it. It could be a black bottom and a white shirt or a black top and a white shirt. It's timeless, it's classic, it's something that you can never go wrong with. So, this is one combination which I think if you have at least one pair in this, you have one outfit which you can never go wrong in. A white linen blazer is the third item that everyone must have. It's such a piece, such a statement piece to have. Very understated color that goes with all your black trousers, gray trousers, your white jeans, blue jeans, black jeans. When you have to dress up quickly, I think just put on a knitted top and a white blazer and you're there ready for the event. It's a very chic look, it's a very put together look. It shows that you've thought of what you're wearing and a very quick fix to the fast life that we live and we have no time to get ready. This is the kind of piece which will look you put together. My fourth favorite, which all of you have seen me wearing a lot on my reels, is this black tailored trouser. This one is from H&M. I mostly wear H&M and M&S for trousers, and I love a tailored trouser. If it's something formal, you can wear it with a satin shirt and be ready. If it's something casual, you can even wear a nice t-shirt or a chiffon top with the black trouser and be will also make you look very stylish at the same time. So all these items will not just help you save time but also make you look stylish. So a tailored trouser is definitely a must have. Now, one of my favorites, and I completely live in this one. It's a straight leg blue jeans. I personally like straight fits because I feel they fit every body type and they look good on every body type and they make you look slimmer. So this one is again, it's a blue washed denim. I pair it with colorful tops. I pair it with shirts, satin shirts for evenings. And yes, I mean, I'm just trying to show you. This is the white blazer, jeans. It's such a good combination with the knitted top. Stylish, chic, and just so much put together. My last one, my favorite. And yes, I have owned that also. I'll be sharing all the reels here. This white shirt, it is such a must have. No matter what the season, no matter if you're working or you are stay at home, a very good white shirt can really take you far. You can style it in so many ways, like just wear pearls inside, a nice pair of jeans, heels, and you're ready for evening. For lunch, you can wear a tube inside or one of the tank tops, leave your buttons open with the white shirt, blue jeans, and you're ready for your lunch. Just so many looks that you can create with just one pair of white shirt. So all these pieces that I have showed you are my favorite. I always have them in my wardrobe, and I feel all of you should also. Few other things in accessories that I love, like currently I'm wearing golden studs. I'm attaching it here. These are from Mango, and a golden watch. Yes, I do understand all of us want to check our steps all the time, but ladies, those watches look good in gym, especially when you are stepping out for a meeting, for a lunch or a dinner. It's nice if you wear a watch that goes with the vibe of the outfit and not a sports watch or something that's calculating your steps. If it's sleek, fine, but not those chunky watches. So I always prefer a sleek gold watch. I personally feel golden accessories are not just easy to mix and match, they also feel very rich. They feel very rich in the texture, in the look. So I always have basic golden accessories to go with whatever I'm wearing. Now going to the footwear, since all of you always DM me on my footwear collection, I will be showing you. So yes, in footwear, I have these two are my favorite, tan and black, which you have seen in many of the reels on Instagram. But there are many that you can find on Myntra too, which are similar. I just feel black and tan pumps are so easy to style with all the outfits, especially if you have a bag to match with it. I always prefer that when I'm wearing tan heels, I match it with my bag and I'm carrying a tan bag for a more cohesive look. When I'm wearing black heels, I prefer carrying a black bag. So these are just small little things that can actually elevate your total look, your style. And yes, another footwear essential is a good pair of sneakers. I am currently living in Sambas. I love them for the comfort. I love the style. Yes, at 47, I really want to wear something that's simple, not chunky, easy to style with all my denims. So a good pair of sneakers, especially white, is something that is easy to mix and match with whether white jeans, black trousers, or blue jeans is a must have. Last 2 years, I have consciously started styling my hair before I step out, and yes, that has totally given a lift to my image, to my confidence. So yes, giving your hair a nice blow dry, or even if you're tying them, then tie them properly. Very basic thing, but can really put so much into your look, to your outfit. Make this change and see. Now this last thing is very personal. I did try the extension nails or different types of nails, I think 3 4 years ago, but I just find that very loud. I don't find that very chic and something that's very elevated. I now prefer to have plain nails, something that I do at home. I ensure my nails are clean. I have a basic nail polish, nothing loud. My nails are nicely cut. My hands are neat, maintained. These are the little things that actually make you chic. Something that's understated yet there is my style, is something that I like, and something at 47 I am comfortable with. So if you agree, do leave me in comments, and I'll see you again in the next video.